This is the image for you. Please see on your screen. Observe it very carefully. Then you have to give the answers. ધ્યાનથી જોઈ લેજો. ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન જેટલું પાક્કું હશે એટલા પ્રશ્નોના જવાબ સરળતાથી આવડશે. Okay, now this is a question for you. This picture is of a tree house. This sentence is correct or not, or a true or a false? Tell me.
True.
Very good. Correct answer. See, we have seen a house on the tree. That is called tree house. Very good. You are getting 5 marks for your correct answer. See, this is the second question for you. This house is made of stones. This house is made of stones. આ ઘર પથ્થરમાંથી બનેલું છે. This house is made of stones.
False.
Very good. False. તો શેમાંથી બનેલું છે? લાકડામાંથી. હા, સાચો જવાબ છે. Very good. Correct answer. 2 correct answers. Now let's see the third question. There is a bus in this picture. There is a bus in this picture. બરાબર યાદ કરો. કોઈ બસ જોઈ હતી આ પિક્ચરમાં?
False.
Very good. Correct answer. They have given 3 correct answers, and for that they are getting 15 marks. Very nice. So, at the end of our first round, please see the score. According to the scoreboard, our first group is getting 10 marks. Very good. Our second group is getting 15 marks. Very nice. Our third group is getting 10 marks. And our fourth group is getting 15 marks. Very nice. Both સરસ. You have a very good observation power. Now, let's start our second round. In this round, we will see one video. You have to see that video very carefully. Okay? And then from that video, you have to give me answers. I will ask you questions and you have to give me answers. For your correct answers, you will get 10 marks as usual. Okay? So see this video.
Hello.
Let's see this video once again.
Hello.
Dear students, we have seen this video, right? Twice. Now, this is the question for you. And this is the question for our first group. See on your screen. How many characters are there in this video? આ વિડિયોમાં તમે કેટલા characters જોયા? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 કેટલા હતા આ વિડિયોમાં? How many? 1 or 2 or 3 or 4? How many characters are there in this video? હા, કેટલા જણ હતા? સાચું છે. કેટલા જણ હતા? કાઉન્ટ કરી લો.
There are 2 characters in the video.
Very good, excellent. There are 2 characters. One is Ice Boy and one is Ice Cow. Excellent. Good. Correct answer. And for your correct answer, you are getting 10 marks. Now, see the second question for our second group. Second group, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes? Very good. See this question on your screen. Who lost his nose? Who lost his nose? There are 2 characters. One is Ice Boy and one is Ice Cow. Who lost his nose?
Ice boy. Ice boy. Ice boy lost his nose.
Very good, very good, excellent. Correct answer. Ice Boy lost his nose. જોજો હા, Ice Boy ની જેમ તમને છીંક આવે તો તમારું nose ક્યાંક ના જતું રહે. Very good. Correct answer. And for the correct answer, you are getting 10 marks. This is the third question for our third team. See the question on your screen. Who tried to catch Ice Boy's nose? Who tried to catch? Who tried to catch Ice Boy's nose?
Ice Cow tried to catch Ice boy nose.
Very good. Correct answer. Excellent. And for correct answer, you are getting 10 marks. Fine. And this is the last question for our fourth group. Fourth group, see your question on your screen. Where they were running for nose?
They were running on the ice.
Very good. Correct answer. For the correct answer, you are also getting 10 marks. Very good. આ રાઉન્ડમાં 4 ગ્રુપે સાચા જવાબ આપ્યા. And finally, let's see the score for this second round. So according to the scoreboard, our first group is getting 20 marks. Very nice. Our second group is getting 25 marks. Very good. Our third group is getting 20 marks. And our fourth group is getting 25 marks. Very nice. Now students, let's start our third round. Our third round is of making sentence. Let's make sentences. According to this round, you can see one table on your screen. આ ટેબલ પરથી તમારે sentences બનાવવાના છે. For example, Gopal bought jalebis. Okay? Fine. It's very easy. This was one example. Now, these are words. From these words, you have to make a sentence. So, it's your turn, our first group. You have to make one sentence from this table. Yes, they are talking. They are talking to each other. Now, give your answer. બોલો બોલો જલ્દી બોલો બેટા. સ્ક્રીન પર જોઈને બોલો, નો વરી.
Raju threw ball.
Very good. Correct answer. Raju threw a ball. Good. Correct answer. And for the correct answer, you are getting 10 marks. Very nice. This is our second question for our second team. See the question.
Cat killed a mouse.
Wow. Excellent. Superb. મસ્ત વાક્ય બનાવ્યું. Cat killed mouse. Very good. Raju don't killed. અને ગોપાલ પણ નહીં. Who killed mouse? Cat. Very nice. Excellent. And for that, you are getting 10 marks. Now, it's a turn for our third group. See. જુઓ બેટા, એક વાક્ય બનાવવાનું છે ખાલી. It's very easy. બહુ સહેલું છે. Third group, it's your turn.
Raju caught ball.
Very nice. Good. Raju caught a ball. Sachin Tendulkare mast catch pakadyo. Sachin Tendulkar caught a ball. Very nice. Good. Correct answer, and for the correct answer you are getting 10 marks. Now it's a turn for our last group, fourth group.
Gopal caught jalebis.
ફરીથી ધ્યાનથી જુઓ. ગોપાલ
Gopal bought jalebis.
Very good. Yummy, tasty jalebis. Your answer is correct. And for the correct answer, you are getting 10 marks. Very nice. At the end of our third round, and this is also the end of our quiz, let's see the score. According to our scoreboard, our first group is getting 30 marks. Very nice. તમે પણ ઘણા બધા સાચા જવાબ આપ્યા હતા, હે ને? Our second group, they are also getting 35 marks. Our third group is getting 30 marks. Very nice. And our fourth group is getting 35 marks. Excellent. 30, 35, 30, 35. It's fine. ક્યાંક ભૂલ પડે છે અને ઘણું બધું આવડે છે. Now we are able to speak so many sentences. પણ Buy નું bought, bought, caught, killed. ક્યાંક ઉચ્ચારણમાં ભૂલ પડે છે, but no worry. We are learning. Okay, students? So, this is the end for our quiz. I know that you all are waiting for the homework, right? ચલો આ વખતે કંઈક ઇન્ટરેસ્ટિંગ કરીએ, કંઈક જુદું હોમવર્ક. શું હોઈ શકે જુદું હોમવર્ક? આપણે સેન્ટેન્સીસ લખ્યા છે, વર્ડ્સ લખ્યા છે, એક્સરસાઇઝ કરી છે. Now let's do one imagination. કોઈક કલ્પના કરીએ. જો હું ફિશ હોઉં તો, જો હું ફિશ હોઉં, if I'm a fish, then what I will do? That you have to write. Okay? If I'm a fish, on that topic, you have to write 5 sentences. Interesting, no? Okay. So, this is the end. ફરીથી મળીશું next quiz માં. ત્યાં સુધી bye bye.